I have given many concessions, Bapuji. From 197 seats to 150, 18% in the central legislature and 4 in the panel. Surely untouchability will not vanish in 15 or 20 years just because of this. I propose a referendum of the depressed classes in 10 years on this issue. But these people are opposed to that.
You mean putting the matter of caste Hindus on trial? Not a bad idea. But why wait for so long? Huh? Why not 5 years?
Need I tell you the anguish and resentment of the untouchables against centuries of wrongs and oppressions at the hands of the Hindus? And do you think, Bapuji, 5 years?
Yes. I know. You have a right to demand safeguards. But from my fiery bed, I beg you to be lenient, Ambedkar. I seek a reprieve for caste Hindus. Their conscience is aroused, Ambedkar. Statutory measures at this point will only delay the process of heart cleansing and self-purification.
But Bapuji...
All right. The referendum, but within 5 years. Huh? Five years or my life.
Dr. Ambedkar, we should leave.
The long-standing confrontation between Mr. Gandhi and Dr. Ambedkar has finally dissolved in the form of the Pune Pact. Dr. Ambedkar has agreed to sign it without the condition of a referendum. He and Pandit Malviya will sign it. This will bring to an end Mr. Gandhi's long fast.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते संगोऽस्त्वकर्मणि.
Dr. Ambedkar, once again you have caused a great furore.
What can I say, Miss Epstein? It seems to be my lot. It would be no exaggeration to say that I am the most hated man in Hindu India today. I am represented as a traitor, cursed as a destroyer of Hinduism, branded as the greatest enemy of this country. But after the dust settles down and a review of my life is taken objectively by the future historians, perhaps they will acclaim my services to the nation.
And if they don't?
If they don't, I don't care. I know the depressed classes have implicit faith in my work. They'll hold me close to their hearts. Of that I'm certain.
Dr. Ambedkar, I have called you here to lend your support to Subbarayan and Iyengar's temple entry bill.
If I accept the temple entry bill, but agitate to abolish Chaturvarnan caste system, which side would you take? Suppose I accept Chaturvarna, what will be your interpretation? Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. Or in the reverse way, Shudra on the top.
Dr. Ambedkar, I am a Hindu not merely because I am born in Hindu fold, but I am one by conviction and by choice. There is no superiority or inferiority in the Hinduism of my conception. But if you want to fight Varnashram itself, then I cannot be in your camp. Because I strongly believe Varnashram to be an integral part of Hinduism.
So, I cannot be in your camp too. Bapu, our salvation lies in political power, not in making pilgrimages or observance of fasts. I'll take your leave now. Shall I tell you something? Don't use the weapon of fast too often. Your life is so precious and the country needs you.